How many poles a magnet has? 2. What are the unit for the measurement radioactive element activities? BQ 1 BQ is equal to 1 dynasties per second. What would you get if you mix a light colors together? White. What is symbol of element silver? Ag. How much patent did Thomas Edison build alone? 1093. What does ATP stand for? Adenosine triphosphat. What is trepanning? An ancient of medicine which involved making holes in human skull to reveals per sure. What does ADP stand for? Adenosine diphosphate. What is the affecting the services of either meteor or meteorite? Meteorite. What is the shortest magnet of the universe? Neutron star. Which is the hottest planet of the solar system? Venus. What is the temperature on Venus? 46 degrees Celsius. What does eyesight change as you get older? The eye lens continues to grow throughout life, becoming thicker and lesser transparent.